Hi guys, this is Haley. Today I'm going to show you the best makeup products for achieving a no makeup look. I previously made a video about it 3 years ago, but it focused more on color makeup. Today I'll be recommending products that give a my skin but better appearance. Without further ado, let's get started. First product is this Glossier's Perfecting Skin Tint. If you're someone who prefers no makeup look or a natural looking base like me, you will love this product. Compared to regular liquid foundation, it provides a minimal light coverage, but it slightly even out your skin tone in a natural way. Please note that it won't hide your pores, freckles, or just any other hyperpigmentation, but it gives the appearance of a translucent finish, allowing those imperfections to still be visible. It has a liquidy and runny consistency, which can be comparable to serum, so there is no need to use any other makeup sponges or brushes. You can just use your fingers to blend. Once you blend it in, it leaves a subtle, beautiful glow, but not that oily or greasy glow. However, if you're used to using a foundation with high coverage, you might think that this product has like no coverage. Personally, I don't use a foundation that often, so it gives a perfect coverage for my liking. The shade I got is G7, which is a medium neutral shade. I have gotten a bit tan, so now this shade perfectly matches my skin tone. Highly recommend these products, and I've been enjoying this product during this summer. Next product is Innisfree's Poreless Sunscreen. Until I tried this product, I was pretty skeptical about tinted sunscreen because those products make my skin tone too light. However, this product doesn't give that white mask appearance, but instead it provides a subtle correcting effect with that ivory/light pink color. It also has a slight pore blurring effect, making it a good alternative when you are not using foundation or primer to improve the appearance of your skin texture. I use this product when the weather is too hot and humid and I don't want anything like greasy, oily, and even dewy product on my face because it provides a semi-matte finish. So this is a product I go for when I want to correct my skin tone while my skin looks dull. This product has a silky finish, so if you have dry skin like me, please make sure to apply a moisturizer before applying this product. Even when I have those days when my skin feels so dry, I apply normal hydrating sunscreen all over my face and apply this Innisfree sunscreen on top for a tone correcting effect. Next product is the SAEM Cover Perfection Triple Pot Concealer. I don't know how many times I featured this product on my channel, but if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know my staple for my makeup cabinet is usually using Skin Food Salmon Concealer or NYX color correcting palette, but this one is my next staple. The reason why I love this product is its neutral color range. When you are busy or simply going for a quick everyday makeup look, you don't have much time to use green, salmon, violet colors. However, this triple color corrector has all 3 shades you will need for your everyday makeup look, so it's just versatile product. Only downside about this product is its shade range. It only has 1 shade as a color corrector, so if your skin tone is tan, medium, or deep skin tone, this shade would be too light for you. For me, this concealer shade is even too bright for me, so I don't use this shade, but I just use this salmon color to correct my under eye dark circles and this green color to neutralize the redness on my face. It also doesn't dry my skin that much as long as I do a proper skincare before applying this product. So I highly recommend this product if you have light to medium skin tone like me and are looking for a natural and neutral color corrector. Next product is this Canmake Color Mixing Concealer. If you think about this video itself, it's only for people who don't have acne or don't need that much coverage. Here's a product for anyone who needs coverage. This is a product I often use but never specifically mention on my channel. Whenever I want to cover my pimples, spots, or any dark small hyperpigmentation, this is the product I reach for. One of the reasons I love this product is because of its shade. This shade is called Natural Beige, but the dust shade is perfect for olive undertones. When compared to other shades, it looks more greenish and neutral. The second reason is obviously its thick consistency. When you think about a natural makeup look, you would think about you don't cover anything even if you have a large spot. However, I still want to cover it if I have because it brings all the attention to my overall look. Having a versatile coverage coverage product is a key for achieving a natural base makeup look because one product can meet all your needs. There will be areas that needs less coverage and more coverage. So it's all about covering more efficiently. Although this product has a pretty thick consistency while providing that high coverage, it doesn't feel too dry or matte, making it perfect for covering imperfections in a natural way. It also comes with a dual applicator. Unfortunately, I lost it, but if you have small pinpoint concealer brush, you could target easily the exact area you want to cover. This is the Japanese brand, so again, the only downside about this product is limited color range. It's only made for people with light to medium skin tone like me, so if your skin tone falls into those ranges and are looking for a high coverage concealer, I highly recommend this product. Next product is Glossier Stretch Concealer. Here's another concealer which is totally opposite to the previous one. It's a lightweight concealer that leaves your skin feels hydrating. As a beauty content creator, repurchasing product means that the product itself is really good, and I recently repurchased this. If you used to use those thick and high coverage concealer that cake easily, you wouldn't imagine concealer being hydrating and provides a barely minimum coverage, but if you try it, it will be your life changing. I was the same when I first tried this product. I was like, am I applying the product? But after going through transition from full makeup to natural makeup I'm wearing right now, this much of coverage is now enough for me. But it's buildable, so if you want to add more coverage, you could still keep layering the product until you get the look you want. It's just breathable and hydrating, no creasing, so if you have super dry skin, you will love this product. Next product is again this Rare Beauty Concealer. I think I mentioned this product so many times on my channel, but if I ever make a product recommendation for a natural makeup look and had to pick one product, this would be that one. It has a medium coverage, but I use the thinnest layer of the product just to adjust the level of coverage I want. This is great for anyone who loves both natural and high coverage because you can control the amount of coverage you want. Sometimes I even do a spot concealing using a small concealer brush when I only have this concealer and want to do a quick natural makeup look. It has semi-matte finish and the pigment is pretty dense, which helps blur my pores on my nose effectively. This is actually my second bottle and I will definitely repurchase this product after finishing this. So this was all about base makeup product recommendation for no makeup look. As someone who's been doing this natural makeup look for over 5 years on my channel, I'm so glad that more and more of you guys becoming interested in this type of makeup look compared to those days when actually no one prefers it. I'm so happy that our community is growing bigger and bigger. Please let me know your favorite base makeup products for a natural makeup look in the comment down below. I know you are all from different countries, so you may have your own recommendations that are available in your specific countries, so I would love to know about that. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye!